You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buy and span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we are with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, the teacher, Adija Palmer. Real boss. You don't know. Anything you want to call him, yeah, that video with Watch Over Us, yes. Official video, 7 years ago. So, we gone black in it. We gone black in one place where we say, young. I'm saying a classic, I want to react to them yet, so we are going to do it now. You understand? So, yeah, so big up all that people, I know, say, yo. At the weekend right now, weekend start, them I go up on the road, yeah? Them I go up on the road, go have a little joy with them friend, big up on yourself. I could jump in one and I start off on the 5 foot. Let's go! Let's go! You know, see, I work all week. I know I hear about buckler time. We go into party. You know, see, I hear time to go to enjoy yourself and live a little. What one?
Jamaica, watch over us.
Hi!
As I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah.
Ladies, if you love it, love me. If you know, say your beard before you go out. When the selector say wave your hand, you not wave over nobody's face and them make up them face and say firm.
They're so goddamn perfect.
Them not make up them face and say firm.
Bumper, but they don't look like mermaid. I love champagne like them and love vervain, let's party.
Level.
Lovers don't bring
You have some boy and some girl when them go some woman wave them hand over your face. It look like them just cut them 10 cedar tree. Them green you fuck. What one? I beg you watch over us.
As I smoke up and drink up.
Oh, bugler! Where have you had if you know say that you may attack? Where have you had if you know say that you may attack? If you know say yo, you only fresh before you go out, wave your hand. If you know say that you game attack too, wave your hand over your head. Watch out, enjoy yourself for one.
Jamaica, watch over us.
Hey!
As I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah.
We going to party tonight,
yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way.
We going to
party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight.
Party, we are party. Watch them, girl, let them so goddamn
perfect.
Damn.
Big bumper, but they don't look like mermaid.
What kind of drink that? What kind of buckle she just take up a while ago? What kind of buckle is? Somebody tell me in the comment section. Isn't this the same buckle? Isn't this the same fucking buckle? And a fever that. And a fever that she have in her hand. 7 years ago. Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Gaza fans, I want to ask you something. How much I want to actually go support the G product? How much I want to actually go support the G product and buy? And buy with your money. Nobody no gear, you buy with your money. One of the rum them. How much I want to actually do that? Tell me. Please in our blood clot comment section. Do this and beat me.
If we don't really want you to again, say
do that and beat me to bombo clot. Why? We go into it. And please follow me on Instagram. Jamaica_works_game. What one? Huh? Yeah.
Jamaica, watch over us. As I smoke up and drink up.
Wave your hand.
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah.
Ladies, if you love it. Hey.
Come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Watch them girls, they're so goddamn perfect. Big bumper, but they don't look like mermaid. I love champagne like them and love vervain, let's party.
Level. When them say big bumper, but they don't look like mermaid, what mean? Does it mean say the girl shape good up here so, but her foot them fine? Ladies, if you know so your body proportion in a big word, proportion. Blood clot! If you know, say your body proportion equally, here, drop a like on the stream. If you know, say that you may attack, say, mommy.
They don't look like mermaid.
Right.
I love champagne like them and love vervain, let's party. Lovers don't bring your heartache. Gangsters don't come with your cane. Fuck them girl, you're so good, let them wonder if today's their birthday.
Yeah.
Jabeg, you watch over us.
As I smoke up and drink up.
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement.
Level, don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsible. I don't drink and drive.
Party tonight.
Life's nice.
Ladies, if you love excitement.
Call them, me love you the right way.
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight.
Hold on.
We going to party tonight, yeah.
I really can't tell that. So, I went a video I shoot not 7 years ago.
We going
Oh, is that all clip that to the teacher?
to party tonight, yeah. Blow out my split like it's a
Vuvuzela.
weed man.
Oh, remember the Vuvuzela when time the World Cup did that go on? I think I was South Africa. Oh, remember the Vuvuzela them? Boom, boom, clap, pam, 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 pam. Yo, I'm not in your fuck.
Blow out my split like
Like it's a Vuvuzela. Hi.
Weed man, I walk around with brain food for sale. Enjoy myself with some girls I can't do it by myself. Lovers don't bring your heartache. Gangsters don't come with your cane. Fuck them girl, you're so good, let them wonder if
Let's take for date. Oh, yeah.
Jabeg, you watch over us. As I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if
Well, I'm still investigate the back lane, dog. Me still have to investigate the back lane.
as I smoke up and drink up.
Me still investigate the back lane, dog. I wish drink this. Oh, we can't see the label. I wish drink this. Mine, you know.
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah.
Ladies, them look good. Ladies, them look good.
Going to party tonight, yeah.
Ladies, them look good. Ladies, if you were a building and I was a thief and I broke in you. If you were a building and I was a thief and I broke in you. Hi. Yes.
Jabeg, you watch over us. As I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah.
We going to
Party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement,
call me. Hey.
we going to party tonight, yeah.
We going to party there.
Tonight, yeah.
Yeah, man, call me Robbie the right way, ladies. How I'm doing, man? Aye, Bumba Clot. Pick up the video personnel. Pick up on yourself. Pick up the teacher. Yes, Adija Palmer. TJ, pick up yourself. Your production. Bad producer. Yes. Pick up on yourself. Classic. Maybe I have to go back to it. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know, see, a Friday. You see me? So big up the people that go out and I drink responsible. Big up the people that know, say, yo, when them go out, them know how them are reaching back. Big up the ladies that go out with them vex station money. If a boy don't want to carry them back home, them have them means and ways to get home. You understand? Yes. And big up the girl that know, say, yo, them not go out but catch on a body yard. Why? Yo, my God. My God. Sub to the Bumba Clot channel if you're not doing it already. Hi! Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.